Good morning students. In this video we will learn about landforms made by glaciers, by wind and by sea waves. Let us start with landforms made by glaciers. What are glaciers? Glaciers are slow moving masses of snow and ice. They are found in polar snowfields and in the ice-capped mountains. Glaciers break and carry away rock material. The valley formed by a glacier has a steep inside and a flat bottom. It is called a U-shaped valley. Glaciers carve out shallow, armchair-shaped basins in the mountains are called seracs. When a glacier flows towards a valley, it melts because it comes in the contact of warm climate. That is why it loses its load, the clay, sand, gravel, and it cannot carried any longer them and they are dropped out. These deposits are called moraines. So U-shaped valley, serac and moraines are formed by glaciers. Landforms made by wind. As we know very well that winds blow very fast in the desert because there is no obstruction in the path of wind. That is why its intensity is very high. When a strong wind laden with sand particles strike the surface of a rock mass, the rock mass started eroded. The base of the rock is eroded more than the top. That is why mushroom rocks are formed. When the velocity of the wind decreases or some obstacles comes in its path, the material carried by the wind is deposited and sand dunes are formed. And when wind carry the fine sand particles far away, much beyond the deserts, and deposited them in humid regions, loess are formed. Landforms made by waves. Sea waves are the most important agents of erosion and they modify coastal landform. In places where the coast is rocky with a steep slope, the waves do erode the slope and sea cliffs are formed. When these sea cliffs worn away and recedes inland, leaving behind a flat surface, a wave-cut platform is formed. When the rock at the base of a cliff is weak, the action of wave scoops out holes which become enlarged and form caves. So, sea caves are formed. Gradually, these caves get bigger and only the roof remain forming arches. As erosion continues, the roofs collapse, leaving only the walls which are called stacks. And when the eroded material are deposited by the waves along the coast, these deposits accumulate and form a beach. I hope you understand the chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.